गोयच्या शेतकारांनी केल्ले भाजयेच्या निर्यातीची संभावना ह्या विशयाचेर धेंपो कॉलेजीत 2 दिसांची कार्यशाळा आयोजित केल्ली। गोयच्या शेतकारांक कशा तरेन फायदो जातलो हो ह्या फाटलो मुखेल हेतू। पणजेच्या नार्डी एक्सपो खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार।
Today's workshop, of course, it's absolutely relevant to the need of the times, because as we all know, agriculture and its allied activities, even 6 decades after independence, account for much of our GDP as well as the employment that's generated. But the fact is, in spite of all the advances that have taken place, some of the problems which are associated or have, and in the context of the government's resolve to double farm incomes by 2022, the question is, what do institutions like education institutions like universities and colleges do to assist the government? The least that colleges and universities can do is disseminate knowledge and provide a forum where knowledge is shared with the end user, that is the farmer. And that precisely is the objective of this 2-day workshop.
Personally, I am very happy to be associated with this workshop because, as Madam has already pointed out, I have been a student of Dhempe College of Arts and Science. So personally, it's a great pleasure and privilege to be here. As my institution, Bank of India, we are doing a small participation in this and a small help in this. I'm also very happy to my bank to be associated with this very much needed initiative. At the outset, let me congratulate Dhempe College of Arts and Science and also Goa State Horticulture Corporation for this very much needed initiative they have taken. In fact, as we all know, India is very rich in agronomic condition, rich in very fauna and flora, and as Madam has already pointed out, the agriculture produce in this country is in a very superior in quality and taste compared to other. I had a privilege to stay outside the country for 3.5 years, and I from my experience, we know how the quality of the agriculture produce, which is produced elsewhere in the world, how it is though it is packed and packaged and presented in a very sophisticated manner, but the taste wise or the content wise, it's not nowhere near our product. So we have everything here in our country. There are challenges in a lot of fields, but our produce is much superior. And if we can market this and present it in the international market, there's nothing, no other product can compare to this.